The control's connected to the charging port 1. Not charging at all. Had it plugged in for a few minutes already. I'll plug in another controller now so you can see. Obviously the second port is broken and there's damage all right there. And connected to the first port. No charge whatsoever. If the port was working, the control would have already turned on by now. Wouldn't be charged, but it would be charging. But as you can see, there's no charge. I'm gonna plug in the second control so you can see that that one doesn't charge either. Plugged in the other controls over here. Nothing. Still plugged. Still nothing. I'm gonna leave it connected while I go grab the wired controller, and then I'm gonna plug in the wired controller and you're gonna see that it still doesn't work. So I'm gonna go get the other controller. I'll be right back. Alright, here's the wired controller. So, as you can see, it's connected to port 1. Still nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the wired controller, and you're gonna see that there's no power going to the controller, so port 1 is broken. Here's the connector for the wired controller. Plugged in. Nothing. Nothing at all. I'm even gonna go ahead and connect the white controller so you can see none of them work. Be right back. Let me go get it. Alright, here's the white control. Unplugged, I'm about to plug it in. Plug out the wired. Alright, here's the USB. Plug in the USB. It's in. It's loose. You can tell that it's broken. It's not even like staying in there. Just it goes loose. Alright, here's the USB. Plugging it into the white control. Alright. The controller plugged in. Port 1. No power. Like I said, I've had a PlayStation 3 before, and if it was working, even if it's uncharged, it would still power on because it's connected, so it should start charging. You can see there's no power. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on there for a few minutes, but it's not working. Alright, that's it.